Hey everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl. I wanted to show off 2 of the 4 afghans I made for Christmas and gave for gifts. I made a lot of stuff for Christmas, but I've already given it, so I can't show a lot of it. But these, I'm wanting to show these. These are mile a minute afghans, super easy to make. They're not real big. That's the width of them. They're for like a twin bed or just like a coverlet, that kind of thing. But they're super easy to make. Now, I made 2 of these identical, the red and burgundy and black. I had made one for Angel's boyfriend, Anthony, and she really liked it, and I had enough yarn, so I made her one. So this one is Angel's. My hairdresser had gotten sick, and he had to have surgery, and I made this afghan. I'm donating it to him so they can raffle it off or whatever to get money to help with his medical expenses, or if he wants to keep it, whatever he wants to do with it. I had this variegated pink yarn for years and years, and I thought that's a good way to use up that yarn and help with a good cause. So I made this one. So I made 2 of these, and then I made this one. The 4th one I made was for Chris's roommate for Christmas. It's outlined with the black, but these inner panels are made with just a variety of colors. I used up all my scrap yarn that I could find and just put together these panels. So it's just a multicolored. But those are 2 of the 4 afghans I made for Christmas. I want to do a video actually making one of these in the video, so I can take people step by step on how to make them. These, I modified the ends of it here because they were uneven. I didn't like how they had done the ends of them, so I modified those and changed it. It looks a lot better. It's more uniform, and they use less yarn. So yeah, I'm gonna be going through videos with showing how to make one of these using the modification. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.